Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to a creek that has some fish, and I'll be using this little rooster tail to catch some of the fish. And then I also over here brought the cane pole and put just a little a little fly on it. It's over there, just a little fly. Then we're gonna try to catch as many species as possible. Maybe I'm also gonna probably bring this rod for the carp. If we see any carp. And yeah, that's what I got so far. So I'll see you at the spot. All right, we're at our spot, and I'm seeing a bunch of movement on the other side. I'm just seeing a lot of fish in general right now. But yeah, that's cool, I guess. Got a fish. Got one. Smallmouth? Yeah, I got one. It's the start of the day. Yeah, let's see. Oh, it's not bad. Size one for the creek. A nice smallmouth. Look at that. Yeah? A nice fighter. Too. It literally landed and he bit it. Oh. Alright. First fish of the day. Oh my gosh, this is an aggressive one. Alright, first fish of the day. Smallmouth. Literally took 2 seconds. And let's release him. Right, release this little baby. It's not bad size. I just scared a lot of fish. Well, they're everywhere. Like I see them schooling. I see some pumpkin seeds. Again. Got him. Second species. There's literally, it's an endless bite at the bridge. Ooh! Came off. Got him. Oh my gosh, see that eat? All right, you ready? Go. Got one immediately. They may be all babies, but they're fun. We still have another bridge to go to also. So we shouldn't leave without catching something nice. Got one again. Oh, it's a nice fighter. This may be a big pumpkin seed. Oh yeah, is that a pumpkin seed or a long ear? It's weird. It's a nice size one here. Let's release this one. All right, we're at the second spot. This spot, oh my gosh, there is so, oh. Got him. Whew, that's a weird species for here, isn't it? I got a green gill hybrid, I think. Maybe, or no, is that a green sunfish? That's a green sunfish. Yeah, that's a green sunfish, right? Yeah, that's a green sunfish. Oh, there goes a green sunfish. And then there's a weird plane above us acting weird. Like something's wrong, but I don't think anything's wrong. It's just he's